Welcome to Historygram, the software that allows you to download historical messages from Telegram. So if you've just entered a group and there's a lot you've missed, as long as you have permission, you can download all of the historical messages. I'm about to demonstrate that to you right now using this demo. So right now we've entered the API ID and hash as required, and then you get an important notice, an ethical use agreement. You can only download messages which the author lets you. So even though this does work even without permission, it will just download right away from the entire history of a group, you must ask permission. Okay, let's go. Click OK. And then now you're inside the Historygram software. And all you need to do is click on select a group to download, and it will look at all the groups you are in. And then you can choose a group that you're in. Let's say, for example, a test group that I created specifically from this purpose. And then it asks you, is this the group you want? You click yes. And then it asks you, would you like to configure what to download? For example, photos, videos. If you want everything, just click no. If you want specifically something, click yes. And over here, you can choose what type of files you want to download in the next session. So let's click OK. That's it, we're ready to go. Now, when you click start download, it will immediately start downloading the files. Now, for the free version, you can only download a limited number of files. So let's test that right now. When you click start, you can see it starts downloading all of the files. Fantastic. It downloaded 4 images and it processed 6. So now let's look at the folder. So if you look over here, the bottom right of the screen, open downloaded folder. Then it opens up the folder and shows you all of the folders you are in and the folders that you've downloaded from. So if I click on test, so as you can see, these are all the files that were downloaded right now from this Telegram group. Let me just delete everything here and then try again. And that's it. So if you download too much, you'll hit the free limit. But if we look back at the folder, you'll see that it did download some of the files before we hit the free limit. So that's how you use this unbelievable software called Historygram, which works perfectly for historical messages. If you're looking for future messages, you're looking for a software called Relaygram, which you could find at the bottom of the Historygram website. When you click on that, it will take you to Relaygram, and this software forwards messages that have just come in, meaning messages that are coming in and you're forwarding them from groups to groups, etc. It literally can do anything. It even has the ability to forward from one group to many, many to one, and use AI to read each message and make sure it's appropriate for sending, etc., etc. So this is a completely different software. What you're looking at right now is Historygram. It's the software that's going to get the history from a Telegram group. Thank you for watching this video. This is the Time Savers channel. See you in the next one.